was simulated and AI generated. Everything is done by professionals and in an enclosed environment where no one is able to get hurt. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
It's not gonna sound like that no more. We about to go get a fucking muffler cup, bro. Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. And by the title of this video, y'all probably know what we doing already. We about to go cut off a muffler off the AMG. We about to go make this thing louder. I'm on my way to MPE right now, so hopefully they could get me right, man, because I'm trying to make this car rumble for real, y'all. So I'm going to give y'all a little bit of POV, try to get a little bit before and after. Meanwhile, the time we get there, matter of fact, I'm going to put this thing in sport right now. Give y'all some little rollers, some pulls right now while we on our way. Let me turn on these performance pages real quick for y'all. Make sure y'all get it right. Wrong one. Alright, now we got it. I'm gonna give y'all some POVs, some pulls meanwhile. Do 25 roll. Pull at 25. We really gonna make this thing rumble, y'all, so stay tuned for later on. Alright then, I'm gonna give you a little pull right here. As I can tell, this thing's already loud, bro, so we about to make this whole a demon for real.
Nice.
Yeah, this thing's already hurting my ears, so with this muffler cut right now, y'all, this thing's gonna be crazy for real. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all some last little clips before I actually head into MPE, so get final comparisons. Alright then, y'all, this is the last final rolls because we're about to pull up right now to MPE. We're about to really create this thing into a monster, y'all. This thing really gonna be loud for real. It's already hurting my ears, and after the muffler cut, it's gonna be crazy, y'all. Alright, y'all, what's up? So we just made it to MPE right now, as y'all can tell. We just here right now. I'm gonna talk, try to see if I can get a muffler cut. And I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get the time. Alright, y'all, the Mercedes is going up the ramps now. He's about to start cutting off the mufflers and stuff, getting all set up. Check out this Mark IV they have right here, though. This thing's clean. This is the first time I ever seen one in person. Fire. Alright, y'all, there it is going in. They're raising the cars right now. Gonna get ready to get the muffler off.
Golly. 2 hours later.
Alright then, y'all, we just finished up here at MPE, man. As y'all seen, we about to get in the whip right now. I'm gonna give you a little start from the cabin. I think it's there's way big of a difference, y'all, as y'all can tell. So I'm gonna give y'all some pulls right now. We're gonna get on the road. Let's go.
Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
That thing is loud. loud, yo. This thing is loud. This thing is loud now, yo. That thing is crazy loud. Yo, y'all hear that? This thing is crazy. Yo, this thing is loud, yo. Shout out MP, man. He really got me right, yo. I could really hear it in person for real. See how really loud it is, man. Alright, we're gonna do a quick little roll for y'all. Y'all hear the difference? Hit y'all some inside cabin again. Nah, this thing's really loud for real. Alright, y'all, I'm about to give y'all some before and after right now. I'm about to give y'all some revs. We just got the mufflers cut, so I'm gonna give y'all some revs real quick. Alright, y'all, so y'all tell me if y'all can hear the difference, because obviously in person you can hear the difference. I don't know how it sounds in camera, but in person this thing is crazy for real. Like, y'all hear that? That thing's really crazy, y'all. That thing is loud, y'all. I wish I could really hear this shit in person for real, so I could really understand what type of ear damage it's gonna cause for real. Alright, y'all, so we at the gas station now. I gotta feed up. Alright, y'all, so he's over here feeding Big Mom right here. Alright then, y'all, so I haven't really heard the car yet from the outside, so I'm about to hear for the first time, get my reaction to y'all, so that's crazy. Go again, go again. Nah, this thing is crazy, y'all. I wish I could really hear this in person, cause this is really loud. Alright then, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what they really did. Obviously right here I have my first muffler. I have my second muffler down there. Let me get down here so I can really show y'all. They cut off the mufflers from here and welded these pipes onto there. You can see it down on that side as well. That's all that was. A muffler delete, y'all. Mufflers is right here. And this thing is crazy loud, as you already heard, bro. So I'm gonna have some down pipes soon. Get some intake soon. So this thing's really gonna be crazy, y'all. Alright then, y'all, the last clip y'all just seen was the first ever cold start without the mufflers. If you have a C63, I 100% recommend for you to cut off the mufflers. I think this car really screams more. You can hear the rumble more. This car without the mufflers is just a way better sounding car, obviously. The only downside is actually losing the valves. I did not like losing the valves, but I want the engine to really roar, so it's alright, you know. have a C63 and you're asking if you should do this mod, 100%, unless you like being quiet at certain places, because I did enjoy that, I'm not gonna lie. But I'll give y'all some revs in race mode. Alright, y'all, muffler cut, first official mod. %, recommended. Yeah, everything sounds nuts, man.
This video is completely AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Don't believe what you see on the internet. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe.